The transport of superlarge generators by our heavy equipment transport team in the UK is a symbol of the high level of professionalism and skill in this field. This team is constantly working to ensure that every aspect of the shipping process is carried out in the safest and most efficient manner. The super heavy-duty truck is the hero of this transport, with its heavy load capacity and incredible durability. The transport team maneuvers this truck with great certainty and skill, ensuring that the super generator is moved safely through all roads and traffic fluctuations. Curved roads are often the most difficult points in the process of moving super large generators. This is because the curve is often narrow and the curved structure is complex, especially for large vehicles such as super heavy trucks. The transport team must carry out careful and precise movement planning to ensure that the truck and generator can navigate the curves as safely and smoothly as possible. This may require close coordination between drivers and instructors. With professionalism and experience, the transportation team not only drives the truck powerfully, but also manages every other aspect of the transportation process, including planning routes, solving problems that arise, and ensure the safety of people and goods during travel. This transport was not just a simple task, but also a symbol of professionalism and teamwork in the heavy equipment transport industry in the UK.
The move of a 72-ton crushing plant to a gravel storage and recycling facility at Jabil, a distance of 20 kilometers, took place completely, without the need for police assistance, marking an important step forward in the field of heavy equipment transportation. This achievement is a clear testament to the professionalism and mental skills of the shipping team. At the same time, it is also a clear demonstration of their confidence and experience in handling complex tasks.
The success of this transport is not only about completing the mission safely and efficiently, but also about the solidarity and determination of the team, especially in a difficult working environment and high technical requirements such as transporting heavy equipment. After arriving safely, the machine operator begins unloading the crushing system carefully and accurately. The process of transporting wind turbines is not only a difficult technical task but also a challenge in terms of scale and terrain. Faced with the great weight and enormous size of the components, moving them requires careful preparation and close coordination from transportation experts. From choosing the right means of transport to optimal planning of routes and lifting methods, each step needs to be performed carefully. During the transportation journey of the equipment of the giant wind turbine, the powerful overloaded Mercedes was assigned an extremely important responsibility. With its superior load-carrying ability and powerful power, this vehicle becomes a reliable fulcrum in transporting extremely heavy and bulky parts of wind turbines. Like a sturdy hero, the overloaded truck constantly overcomes all challenges on the road. With incredible power, it, along with a team of talented drivers, continuously faces difficulties from mountainous terrain to winding roads, always ensuring safety for both goods and people. Participating in traffic. The overloaded Mercedes is not only a means of transportation, but also a symbol of strength and reliability. With its steadfastness and ability to overcome all challenges, it brings hope and confidence to the entire shipping team, and is a clear testament to perfection and progress in the shipping industry. Transporting rotor shafts is a process that requires care and professionalism, especially when faced with shafts of large size and heavy weight. Rotor shafts are often used in industrial applications such as generators, bomb machines, or other industrial equipment, and their transportation requires careful planning and preparation in advance. Besides, choosing the means of transportation is also very important in this process. The Mercedes Weltifera is not only a smart choice but also a guarantee for safe and efficient rotor shaft transport. Mercedes Weltifera, with its load-bearing capacity and advanced transport technology, is the ideal choice for transporting rotor shafts of large weights and sizes. Specially designed to face tough challenges on the road, this vehicle provides stability and safety to the cargo throughout the journey. More than just a means of transportation, the Mercedes Weltifera is also a symbol of professionalism and reliability. Through this choice, the sophistication in management and planning of the transport team during the movement of this heavy rotor shaft was demonstrated. During transportation, it is extremely important to protect the rotor shaft from shocks, vibrations, and other external factors. Safety measures such as using appropriate belts and guards, periodically checking the condition of the shaft, and complying with traffic regulations are indispensable elements. Besides, having a 24/7 monitoring team is an indispensable part to track and monitor every aspect of the transportation process. This helps ensure that any issues can be dealt with promptly and any risks can be minimized. Bends in the road are major challenges for transportation, especially when moving large and heavy rotor shafts. These things require the operator to possess strong skills and experience, along with extreme calm and concentration to solve all arising situations. In curves, there is not only the pressure to control the vehicle safely and accurately, but also the need to deal with space and visibility limitations. Precision and patience are the keys to overcoming these challenges. Besides, the driver must be able to predict and react quickly to avoid collisions and ensure the safety of goods as well as people around. With such an important role, the driver of a heavy-duty Mercedes is not just a regular driver, but also a trustworthy companion, always ready and alert to face all of the above situations road. This demonstrates their great commitment and responsibility for the safety and success of each trip. During the transport journey, When the light gradually faded and the sky began to turn dark, the heavy Mercedes truck continued to glide gently on the road. Transporting the Funitel cable from Plainmore to Crans-Montana was not only an engineering task but also a challenge due to their complex mountainous terrain. Funitel cables, with their large size and heavy weight, require careful preparation and close coordination from shipping experts. The process begins with a thorough assessment of the route, weather and environmental conditions to select the appropriate means of transportation. Coordination between professional teams from manufacturers, transporters and authorities is key to ensuring transportation takes place safely and efficiently. On hilly roads, every turn and steep section requires carefulness and decisiveness from drivers and transport staff. The use of specialized transportation vehicles and advanced techniques helps ensure that Funitel cables are transported safely and stably, not only protecting the goods but also ensuring the safety of everyone around them. With meticulousness and determination, the transportation of the Funitel cable from Plainmore to Crans-Montana was a significant achievement in the field of transportation, and an important step forward in providing safe transportation services safely and effectively in this complex mountainous area. The movement of the Funitel cable is a clear demonstration of the power of humans in overcoming nature. Through this, we can also see the spirit of solidarity and close coordination. The transportation team has faced all challenges, difficulties and overcome all obstacles to bring this important equipment to its destination safely and successfully.